Instead of the product managers or maybe even product owners driving more of the requirements, it's like, hey, more of that part has to shift to the engineering managers, or the engineers and the engineering managers even. And it's like, then maybe the product managers need to be more focused on like product strategy and a little less in the weeds of the details every day. And the developers have got to take more ownership of understanding like the requirements and what's being built, because basically if you're using something like Cursor, you've got to understand that, right? How's it supposed to work? And I can build the prompts and I can put it into Cursor and it'll write 90% of the code, and then I debug it for an hour or whatever and fix whatever the bugs are. But I've got to understand what we're building and why.
Yeah, and I think like the requirements is like the bare minimum. What, as you said, like what problem are we solving? Bigger than the requirements, because I think engineers will be need to be able to change the requirement themselves without
Yeah.
consulting with anybody. So you need to understand it, but you need to understand what the requirements are solving. And a lot of engineering team don't have like a clear, like, metric or business goal connection.